How to copy your Metamask wallet address. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your Metamask public address in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask. As you can see, this is the home page of my wallet, and you will find this home page too. Now if you want to copy your address here, your wallet address, you have just to click on it like this and it will be copied to clipboard. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have an issue or something you want me to help you with. And see you later, and thank you so much.